Let him come back with a testimony. I know you are the God of the poor and the needy. Please, do not disappoint us.
Papa is not yet back.
No.
What is keeping him now? Eh? Since morning. Eh? Just look at the time. Eh? What's keeping him?
Who knows? Maybe they will pay them today. Yeah. And you know there are a lot of them, so the payment will take a lot of time.
I just hope so. I really hope so. I sincerely hope so. Because the way things are going now, I just don't understand. I really don't understand. I'm so hungry, I'm so hungry.
Provide 20,000 naira. Only. 20,000 naira for her appendicitis operation.
Daddy, please stop.
Oh.
Daddy, please stop. Stop. Daddy. Daddy, please. I have told you. Stop dwelling in the past. My mom is long dead and forgotten. Daddy, we should face the future now. Daddy, come to bed. I'm sure if you sleep very well tonight, by the time you wake up, you will forget about the disappointment you have at the local government today. Daddy, come, please.
No. 35 years of service.
Daddy, I know.
Miracle.
Daddy, I won't leave you. No, Daddy.
Bless me. Okay.
crying? I still always cry. Is it because you are being sent out of school?
Tell me, where is this place?
Don't know this plate now, John.
Are you sure they are not going to disappoint you people this weekend? Because we wouldn't want to disappoint our English master again.
Who knows, my son? Who knows? You know, last weekend, they promised us everything, gave us every assurance that they were going to pay. They even asked us to line up, queue in a single file to receive our money. We queued on the line and we were standing there for hours on end. One woman who was looking sickly and very hungry collapsed.
Collapsed?
And was carried to the hospital. I thank God I did not collapse, because I knew I was more hungry than that woman.
But Daddy, see, I'm confused here. Yes. Why are these people not paying? Why they promise and pay? Is it that the government, they don't have money anymore to pay or what?
My daughter. Ghost pensioners.
Ghost pensioners.
Daddy, what does that mean?
Ghost pensioners. Ghost pensioners, you know this country is corrupt. Our politicians are corrupt. Now the corrupt politicians will go and sign up people that never worked for this country for a single day as pensioners. They are called ghost pensioners. Now those people signed up will receive little incentives from these corrupt politicians. And they will go every month. They go and collect that incentive. Why the politicians, the corrupt politicians, the evil people in government, the wicked men that are downtrodden on others, will go and embezzle the major money. Why those people who are supposed to be paid as pensioners are denied? People like us. That is the problem.
This is serious.
And this is wickedness. Ajobi.
And nobody is talking. Nobody.
Who will talk? I will talk or others? Who amongst us will talk? Eh? You want them to shoot me and to kill me?
No.
Look, let me tell you. When they will be moving with their siren, win from place to place, those people are not qualified to ride inside any siren. They are not supposed to drive with sirens. It's only the presidents and the governors that have such powers. They have no such powers. But these wicked and corrupt politicians will be oh my God. They kick people here and there, push them from one side to the other. If you see what they do in hold-ups, where we have traffic jams, my God, you will have mercy and pity the common man. Now, those people that carry guns, that moved with them, you will see them jump down on the road, carry gun, wave it up and down. They run front and they run backwards. They are not policemen. They are not army people. But they will carry these evil men. The hoodlums they used to rig elections that sent them into power, they use them to harass people on the way. They are not army people. They go and show no trained policeman will behave like that on the road. The military men and the barracks, they cannot come out and behave like that. But these hoodlums, when you look at them, you know they were retired thieves. They are old. And that is why they shoot people like that. Trained policemen don't shoot their guns anyhow. Military men don't come out and move around the streets singing praises for people anyhow. It cannot be. These are
so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. For 2 minutes, just let me just be your boyfriend. For 2 minutes, I will do all these things for you. You will never lack again in this school. I know what I'm telling you. I have great potential to take care of you. Eh? Okay, are you the only born again in this school? Are you the only born again? Are you the only Christian in this world? Are you the only young girl that is born again? Me too, am I not born again? Eh? Even in that your classroom, all those girls there, all of them have boyfriends, except you. How can you accept me? It's because I love you. I will take care of you. I will do all these things for you.
Let them have now. Let them have. Me, I don't want to have. Is it by force? Leave me alone, no. Leave me alone, no. I'm warning you. Leave me alone.
Amara.
What a painful world, so full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Men should love each other, always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you in this wicked world. What a wicked world.
Take this letter. Give it to your principal. I believe after reading it, he will allow you people in.
Daddy, there's no need for this. He said this as at last week, that if we fail to pay our school fees, he will not listen to any plea from anyone. Even if God himself comes down to plead with him.
Amara, I've told you before, let's be optimistic here. He's a father like Daddy. He will understand him better. And I believe after reading the letter, he will see reasons with us. Okay? Let's just try.
Ugonna. I know you're always hopeful, but trust me, this will lead to further frustration and public disgrace. I don't want it. I don't.
That's the only option we have. And we just have to try, okay? We have to try.
See off your face.
Give it to your father and tell him I don't need it.
Yes. Are you truly ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready. I'm ready to do anything, provided it's not evil in the sight of God and acceptable in the sight of men. I can't wait a second to embark on it.
Okay. So you just have to get ready. I have a plan. Please, we came to know if you are the one that is handling this job.
Yes, anything?
Yes, sir. Please, we want you to employ us.
Yes, sir.
Have you been doing this kind of job before?
No, but we are sure we can handle it.
Yeah.
What makes you think you can do it? I mean, your mate should be in school by now.
Yes, sir, but we need to raise money to pay our school fees. That's why we are here.
What about your parents?
Our mom is late and our father have not received his pension for the past 9 months.
Alright, it's okay. Sorry about your parents. But since you say you can do the job, maybe I should give you guys a trial. But I beg you in the name of God, do not disappoint me.
I promise, sir. I promise. Trust us, sir. Please.
We will not, sir.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, what a wicked world. Oh, what a painful world. So full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Man should love each other. Always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you in this wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. What a wicked world. Wicked
Daddy, we made 2,500 naira today.
Yes.
Daddy,
That's
if we
good.
continue like this, by weekend we'll be able to pay our fees.
No, that's true.
Yes, and you're happy now, Opria?
Yes, kiddo brother, I'm happy. You always not to make me happy.
Yes, no, because you're my sweet sister.
I am also happy that I have understanding children like both of you.
Oh, Daddy, thank you.
Okay.
Daddy, let me hurry to the market to look for something to do.
Please, hurry, I can't wait. I'm very hungry.
I'm coming.
Amara.
Okay. Jonah.
Daddy, and if you see this boy, very small boy,
And very handsome. I wonder how he managed to have that kind of money to build that kind of house.
you saw the house now.
Very big house, I saw it. Very big.
Amara, my daughter, money doesn't come with age, but time and chance make the difference.
Sure.
Daddy, do you know I called him brother? It's not I should not call him brother. That I should call him by his name, Jonah.
Jonah must be God sent.
Exactly.
So, which one are you? The fish belly or Nineveh?
Daddy! Daddy, no, I can't choose the fish belly. Not Nineveh. Oh. Let me... yes, since today is public holiday, I decided to come and thank you. At least to show gratitude for what you did for us the other day.
You did very well, okay? I like how you came around to see me.
Thank you.
You know, the last time I saw you, I liked you so much. You understand? You know, and I promised myself that I cannot be alive to see you suffer.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, how come you have so much money to build this kind of house?
I'm a businessman. I import building materials.
Oh, okay. So, how come I've not seen you with a car?
You know, actually, I don't live here in the east. I stay in Naija. Yeah, so I normally fly down here to check how the work is going on. You know, all these contractors, they can eat your money, you know. So you understand. So I come around to check, and I do come around every 2 weeks. But right now, I stay in the hotel.
Okay, no problem. Jonah, please, I have to start going. My dad and my...
Hold on. I want you to take this money and change your wardrobe, okay? Change your wardrobe and change this cloth you're wearing. I don't like what you're wearing. You have to change, just change. Look good, okay? Look good.
All this for me?
Yeah.
Oh my God, am I dreaming? Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much. It's okay.
Thank you.
It's one of those things, such as life.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Daddy, see this one.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful. Nice one.
And this, Daddy.
Oh, wow. That's good.
All these clothes look expensive.
Yes, they are very expensive.
All for you.
Yes, all for me. Let's look at it.
Oh, this is your color. Very good. Beautiful, my dear.
My color? Go now.
It's a lie.
For me?
Yeah, it's for you. You like it?
Are you sure? I like it now. How can you be asking such questions? Like my sister. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love it.
It is suit. You know you are dark, so I got white.
Yes. Thank you very much.
That's very good. I would like to meet this young man myself and at least say thank you to him.
Yes.
He has actually been a source of joy to this family again.
Sure.
Okay, no problem. I'll give you his number so you can call him.
Listen.
Now it's finished. Now look at this boy. Hold on.
Yes,
Oh, what a wicked world. Oh, what a painful world. So full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a wicked world. Man should love each other. Always help one another. Those who say they love you
Amara,
only want to
Amara,
use you
come here.
in this wicked world.
Come here. Come.
What a wicked world. What a wicked world.
I saw him. No wonder your sudden change. See, my spirit can never deceive me. You now buy new textbooks. Look at you everywhere. Everywhere I've changed. Everywhere I've changed. You think I don't know? I said my spirit can never deceive me.
He's not your type. He does not ask me for anything.
Father Christmas, I've seen him. That person that I saw now, Father Christmas, he just be giving you things. He will not ask you for anything.
So let me tell you for your information, I'm still a virgin.
I'm a virgin too. We are all virgins. Oh, You think I'm not your type? Or maybe because I'm a copper. See, my future is very, very bright. Tomorrow now you can meet me in the governor's office, I'll be the governor. Tomorrow I can be in the local government office, I'll be the local government chairman. Tomorrow I can be the organ in one big office like that. You know. Eh? All this I'm telling you is because I love you. That's why I'm telling you all these things. That's why I'm telling you all these things. But since you don't want to listen, in fact, the thing is this. Consider yourself, you failed HPE this time. There's no point.
You know you cannot try it. And you know it. Jealousy.
Me love. It's because you know it's jealousy now. That's why you're doing it, because I love you.
Love each other. Always help one another. Those who say they love you only want to use you.
Father, bless and sanctify this food to nourish us for wisdom and love and unity, progress and riches in Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Are you sure you're enjoying it?
Yes, it's nice.
Where is it not picking now?
I'm coming. I'm coming.
What's our problem?
I don't know what our problem is.
Hello?
Hello?
Jonah.
Baby.
Jonah, you almost implicate me now. Yes. We were having dinner when your call came in.
Oh, baby, I'm sorry.
Why are you sounding like that?
I'm not feeling fine.
Oh. Sorry about that. Daddy, it's choir night vigil.
When did you join the choir?
But I joined last week.
But you never said anything about this choir vigil of a thing throughout the day.
Yeah, I forgot. I just remembered a couple minutes ago. Okay. Later. Good night.
Good night.
What's your problem?
I'm asking you, where are you coming from?
Didn't I tell you and Daddy that I was going for quiet night vigil?
Amara, why? Why? So, because of money, you have now turned yourself into a cheap liar. Okuya, you told I and Daddy that you were going to church, but you ended up in a hotel. Amara, why? After all we have been through, you now want to put that into total shame. Why?
Enough!
After all we have been through. What is going on here?
Daddy, nothing.
Nothing. Amara.
Huh?
What is going on here? You're hiding it from me. Alright. Keep hiding. Keep hiding it. But when it gets out of your control, you will definitely seek my consent. But by then, it might have been too late. Nothing. What? So, you now have a phone. Neither I nor Daddy knows about it. Or you think I don't know?
I will explain.
Explain what?
He said he was sick. And he needed me to come and stay with him. But believe me, we didn't do anything.
Story. You stayed all night and you want me to believe that nothing happened?
Go. I swear with the grave of our late mother, I'm still a virgin. I'm still a virgin.
What a wicked world. What a wicked world.
I want to remind you students once again, those of you who have not paid for the WAEC examination fee should hurry up and do so. You have till Friday, that's a week from now, to pay up. Otherwise, you will not be allowed to take the exams. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
And those of you who come to me in the office to plead that I should... Who is that? Who is that person sleeping? Wake up. Amarachi Albert! Amarachi Albert! Amarachi Albert! What was the information I just got? Did you not sleep last night? Is there anything wrong with you? What did I just say? And you'll be the first person to come to my office without God-forsaken letter from your father pleading. God help you if you don't come with your WAEC examination fee. You will not be allowed to take the exams. Anybody who does not come with the fees will not be allowed to take the exams. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Good day, students.
My dear, men are like that. Do you know that my father's friend, a married man for that matter, he's willing to solve all my financial problems for me. But he's saying if only I can have sex with him, he can do anything for me.
A married man? Oh, man.
A man as old as my very own father.
Oh no. That's too bad.
See, no amount of lack and want can make me sell my virginity and my pride until after my marriage.
Same with me. I will never lose my virginity. Not for anything.
Same here.
Amara, you've been moody all day. What's the problem?
My WAEC fees.
But I thought you said Jonah was going to give you the money.
Yes, but that was before the incident of last night.
What actually happened last night?
Can you imagine? I couldn't sleep all through last night. It was a total war. He tried to take my virginity. Yes, but I didn't give in. He tried and tried. I refused. So he got angry and said I shouldn't call him again. Do you know he even collected the phone he bought for me?
Are you serious?
Serious? Yeah. If not for my WAEC exam, I wouldn't be bothered at all. But the date is just too close.
It's okay, Amara, it's okay, okay? Don't worry, okay? We will certainly know what to do about it. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure, I am, okay?
Alright, thank you. Now you're making me smile. Daddy, we can't continue like this.
Men should love each other. Always help.
Pastor, I know I am not supposed to do this. But honestly, I've gone to every place I know I would have received help, but to no avail. So I'm in your office as the last resort. You know, for the past 10 months, I have not been paid my pension. And Amara here is going to sit
Okay, let me go and give him before.
You succeeded?
Yes, I succeeded. Why? I didn't just once. Just once. Not twice. Just once.
Once is enough to get you pregnant.
So full of sorrows.
I'm finished.
Just shut up and stop disturbing me with this your cry. You're making noise. This is a hotel room and not your father's house. Eh? Please, stop it. Stop it. You're just disturbing me, please. How am I even sure I'm the one that got you pregnant?
What? Jonah, you're wicked. You are wicked. You knew I was a virgin when you met me.
And so
And so, are you trying to tell me I'm the only person that have touched you since that time?
Why you talk like this? Why are you saying this? You're the only one that have seen my nakedness and you know it!
What do you mean? No. What do you mean by that? I thought you were a big girl. Yeah, let me tell you. Get out from this place. So just leave this place now. Okay. Stop crying. Wipe your tears, please. Stop crying. Yeah? You're disturbing other guests. Yeah? This thing you're shouting, I'm not the only one here. You're disturbing them. What do you want me to do? No. What do you want me to do?
I don't know what to tell my brother. I don't want my father and my brother to know about it. I'm finished.
Okay. See. Nobody will know about it. I promise you. Your father, your brothers, your sisters, nobody will know about it. Okay? I know what to do.
Are you sure?
Yes, I know what to do, but just stop crying, okay? Just clean your eyes, wipe your tears, put yourself together, okay? Hold on for me, I'm coming. Anyway, see, when you get home tonight, take one from this one, then take two from this one. Do you understand? Then before you go to school tomorrow morning, take 3 from this one. Take 2. Please. Please. Don't take more than 3 from this. Or more than 2 from this. Do you understand what I said? Please. Okay?
Okay. But are you sure it will terminate the pregnancy?
Don't worry. Just do as I said. Before you know it, your menses will start flowing with force and you'll be fine. Just take it.
Thank you.
Listen to me. Don't take overdose. Do you understand what I said? Can you repeat what I said?
You said I should make sure I do not take overdose.
That's my girl, please. Okay? Stop crying.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Okay.
They are paying? Hey! They are paying now. I will be on my way now. Hey!
Who called you?
My colleague, Miss Obidigbo.
He said they are paying.
They are paying now. Let's go now.
After 10 months. Hey! Wait, let me put on my dress.
Daddy! That's my son. Daddy!
What is it?
Daddy!
Okay.
It's Amara. Amara is dying.
Amara did what?
Amara is dying.
What happened to him?
She's been taken to the hospital. Come, Daddy. Which hospital? No. Get up. Which hospital? Let me there. Let me go for the money.
Please. Thank you. Let me go for my vessel first.
Okay.
Go. I will see you.
Oh, what a wicked world. Oh, what a
I see.
Calm down first.
I'm already calm. I'm calm, doctor. Tell me, how is she, doctor? Tell me.
She's in coma, but we're trying our best to get her revived.
What happened? What happened to her?
Oh, actually, she attempted a local abortion.
Dr. My daughter is a virgin. So what are you talking about?
Well, she took some overdose of the pill, and they tried to push the fetus out of the uterus forcefully, which could be very dangerous. So, that's the situation.
So, Ugonna, what is the doctor talking? What is he talking about? Ugonna, huh?
Oh, Luchi, if you see what happened in school today.
What happened?
Your friend Amara, she's pregnant. She went for quick abortion. She even collapsed today in school. Blood coming out from her private part. They've even taken her to the hospital. I just pray she survived it.
Oh my God. This is no good news at all. Why, Amara? Amara, why? After all we've been through.
Okay, please. We are looking for the man that is building this house. We want to see him.
You know this house?
Yes, please. We want to see him.
He doesn't stay in Nigeria now. He based abroad.
What? Huh? Jonah, where is he?
That idiot. He no longer comes here now. He has stopped coming.
Please, what do you mean?
That guy has ruined his opportunity. His uncle that stays abroad has been sending him money to build this house. But instead of that boy building this house, he has been spending the money with ladies. Lodging from one hotel to the other, smoking from one joint to the other. Goes after anything unscathed. The uncle noticed that the job wasn't going well, so he has no option than to stop him. As I speak to you now, he has contracted someone else to oversee this job.
Where can we find him now?
Where else if not in a hotel? That's if he still have more money to maintain his room. But that guy, as far as I'm concerned, that guy is useless.
You know the hotel?
I know the hotel.
Please, my brother, thank you. Let's go. Down.
Hey! Okay?
Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hey, look at the man there. Officer, get in here.
What is it?
You are under arrest for child abuse and attempted murder.
Officer, I don't understand what you're talking about.
What's going on here?
Now move. Don't worry, when you get to the station, you explain yourself better. Now move.
Okay, move. Officer, help me with the bag. Mr. Man, move.
Just look at him.
Move.
Take this man away.
I said move.
Okay, now. Doctor! We are coming from the ward. Where's my daughter?
You have to take her, Mr. Albert.
I have already taken her. Where is she? Where did you keep her daughter?
Well, I'm sorry, Mr. Albert, we lost her.
Oh, God.
We tried our best, but...
Daddy!
Don't do that.
Daddy!
Nurse!
Daddy, no! Daddy! Daddy! Daddy, no!
So full of suffering, so full of sorrows. Oh, what a